Hey guys, I'm super excited to be here with you guys. My name is Jayashree Menon. I'm the creator of Inaerobics. What if you have 3 simple tools which are interconnected and which you can implement right away, and that can bring profound transformation in your lives? All your power is from within. When you bring profound transformation in your lives, you create a ripple of energy that spreads across the planet. Together, we become the planet shakers. So, today, having those simple tools in your life which you can take and implement without any effort, because none of the transformations, I have spent thousands of dollars in personal transformation. I'm not saying it didn't help, it did help. Today, if I am talking to you today on all these topics, it's only because of the available information in public domain which I could have taken, but it helped me move to the next level, to develop such tools which are so simple, which you can take today and apply in your life right now. Self-love, love for life, passion for life, and gratitude. These are the 3 things. If you start cultivating these 3 qualities, you will bring profound transformation in your life. Let me start with talking about gratitude, because that's something which is well understood by everybody. There's enormous amount of research that proves how gratitude can change your physiology, psychology, physical health, mental health, emotional health, your relationships, empathy and compassion, your ability to connect with other people, by which you can be more successful. Now, gratitude is something, there are different ways you can practice gratitude. You can be grateful for small things in your life and make it a practice, and it become hardwired in your program. That takes a lot of effort. You can write a gratitude journal. It also will take a lot of effort. So, I have some very simple exercise which you can do. Maybe it takes hardly 30 seconds to 1 minute to do the exercise, provided you are meditating regularly and you are able to go to your level. Because why I ask you to meditate every day is because when you meditate, you are able to self-regulate, self-control. You are able to quickly slow down your brain wave from high beta to alpha, to lower levels of alpha, theta, delta, epsilon. These are the lower you go in brain waves, the faster you can slow down your brain wave, the higher is your ability to access powerful information which is available in the universe, and your ability to take decision, your ability to successfully solve problems, all of them becomes phenomenal. You are able to self-regulate your immune system, you are able to self-regulate yourself, you are able to control your energy, you are able to establish a better chemistry within. So if you are able to slow down your brain faster, you are in a better place to manifest synchronicities in your life. So the gratitude exercise which I am talking about, you can do it at night when you go to sleep. When you lie down and close your eyes, of course I hope you will switch off the lights. Switch off the lights, it's very important, because that really helps you shut down the visual information that is continuously going into your brain. It helps to slow down the brain. It helps to slowly slow down your breath. As you slow down your breath, you're already telling your body you are ready for a change in your physiology, you are ready for healing. It stimulates your vagus nerve, which is going to help you heal and rejuvenate faster. So as you close your eyes and as you slow down your breath and slowly go into deep within, and simply ask this question: who am I? What am I grateful for? Just allow that question to reverberate, and this simple exercise immediately rewires your brain and body to a level of gratitude. You wake up in the morning, you are a different person altogether. And this is something which you can do in 30 seconds to 1 minute every day. So start practicing this today. And the next 2 steps, self-love and love for life, we will talk about it in the next video. Stay with me and follow Innerobics for these powerful, simple exercises that can bring profound transformation in your lives. So we will talk about that in the next video, and if you like, I can talk more about it. I can create more content that can help you bring a lot of transformation in your lives, and so that you can see synchronicities in your life. The way to live life is not run by stress hormones, not by, but by able to manifest synchronicities in your life. So stay blessed. Let's continue this conversation, and I'll see you. Bye.